In Cupertino, California, Apple unveiled iOS 26 at its annual Worldwide Developers Conference, a reveal centered not just on features, but on a new way of experiencing digital life.
We challenged ourselves to make something purely digital feel natural and alive, from how it looks to how it feels as it dynamically responds to touch. To achieve this, we began by rethinking the fundamental elements that make up our software. And it starts with an entirely new expressive material we call liquid glass.
Liquid glass, Apple's latest design breakthrough, adds fluidity and light reactive depth to every corner of iOS 26. Icons shimmer, controls respond. Every motion feels intentional, even emotional.
It responds in real time to your content and your input, creating a more lively experience that we think you'll find truly delightful.
But the heart of iOS 26 lies in connection, like the new live translation feature, powered by Apple Intelligence and designed to erase language barriers.
To help you communicate across languages, we're introducing live translation. With Apple Intelligence, live translation can translate conversations on the fly. It's integrated into messages, FaceTime, and phone.
Whether it's texting abroad, catching up on FaceTime, or making a call, your words can now cross borders instantly, securely, and privately.
And it's enabled by Apple-built models that run entirely on device, so your personal conversations stay personal.
iOS 26 also redefines how users interact with the world around them, introducing visual intelligence.
Say I open a social media app, and I see this great jacket. I want to know where I can get something like this. I can find out with visual intelligence, and I can access it with a familiar gesture by pressing the same buttons I use to take a screenshot.
From jackets to lamps, just press your screenshot buttons and search visually across apps like Google or Etsy seamlessly. Over in Vision OS 26, Apple dives into memory and meaning, making your photos spatial and lifelike.
It uses a new AI algorithm that leverages computational depth to create multiple perspectives from your 2D photos, making the images more lifelike. These spatial scenes feel as if you could lean right into them and look around.
And in the new spatial gallery, curated content meets next-gen immersion, from family albums to web browsing. Productivity also gets a boost. Spotlight now takes real action, with system and app commands just a few keystrokes away.
Say you want to send an email. You can write the message, set the recipient, and add a subject, all without lifting your hands off the keyboard.
What a big day of announcements for our users and developers. We continue to advance each of our platforms with more ways to harness the power of Apple Intelligence, as well as a beautiful new design. Our product experiences become even more seamless and enjoyable.
Developer betas of iOS 26 roll out today. Public betas next month. And for users, the future goes live this fall.